Hey CalmCool, can I use a VPN to get free bits? Yo CalmCool, I can't get bits. Please, CalmCool, tell me how to get free bits. I know you know, CalmCool. I know you know.
This is how we do it when the vocals turn the rhyme and the beats start to collide and it starts to intertwine. Now it's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great. It's sounding great.
What's going on, all you CalmCool Savages? I'm your host Wesley, and you're watching CCS TV. Welcome back to another How to Get Free Bits video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about watching ads with a VPN, and I'm going to show you how to get free bits on Twitch by watching ads if you don't know how to already. I will also explain a little bit why you can't get free bits, and if you guys stick to the end, I'll show you that there's a way to do surveys to get free bits on Twitch. Keep in mind that you can only get free bits on PC and that you have to live in the USA. If you want a greater chance of getting free bits, smash like, smash subscribe. Just kidding, it's not gonna give you a greater chance of getting free bits, but if you subscribe to the channel, I may be giving away free bits myself. Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments on my free bits video about people saying they can't get free bits because they live in another country, but they are wondering if they can use a VPN to get free bits. So can you use a VPN to get free bits? Let's talk about that. So it's pretty questionable whether or not you can use VPNs to watch ads to get free bits on Twitch. I went to Google and I searched, can I use a VPN to get free bits on Twitch? And this is what I found. This was posted on Reddit 1 year ago. Is using a VPN to farm bits allowed? Watching ads to get bits in my country is sadly not an option for me, not even on mobile. Someone replied, I may know people who possibly do it, but I can't confirm that it's something. I've never tried a few times. I've read some comments that people can use VPNs to get free bits in other countries, but then I've also read that it can get you banned from Twitch. And yes, it's true on what he said in that post. You can't watch ads if you live in another country outside the USA, and you can't watch ads on mobile. If you do live in the USA and you want to know how to get free bits, stick around to the video and I'll show you towards the end. Using VPN for bits from advertisement. I was wondering if your account can be banned for doing this. I looked around but found no info about it. Thanks for your help. Someone replied, account does not get banned. I had a ban message and when I turned it off, I was okay. I find this being a discrimination. We all should have the watch ads for bits. It's unfair, so I'll keep doing this. I think this is absolutely unfair, and I said it before and I'll say it again. Free the bits! This guy says, if I use a VPN to get bits, can I get banned on Twitch? Someone replied, yup, it's naughty and you'll get the hammer. Make sure you let Twitch know that you love the ads for bits to be expanded to your country. I agree what this guy says. We should all email Twitch and ask them to expand the bits to other countries. Maybe start a petition. I want you guys to get free bits too. Since there isn't a lot of information on whether or not you should use a VPN to try to get free bits if you live in another country, is kinda up to you. If you've been with Twitch for a long time and you've been streaming for a while and you don't want to get banned, I would say don't use a VPN to try to get free bits. If you don't have anything to lose on Twitch, it's up to you. And for those of you who are saying, yo, CalmCool, I live in the US and I still can't watch ads and get free bits. All I know is that you have to be on PC and you have to live in the USA. If you're using a VPN and you live in the USA, this could be the reason why. Or it could be your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so try and use Google Chrome. Make sure you have ad block off, and then you should be able to watch ads to get free bits on Twitch. Now, if you stuck around in the video and you want to know how to get free bits by watching ads on Twitch or by doing surveys, this is how. Open up Google Chrome and go to Twitch. Once you're on Twitch, make sure you're logged into your account. Then you're gonna want to go to a streamer that is live and has affiliate or partner. This will not work on a streamer that is not affiliate or not a partner. And you cannot watch ads on your own channel. So you can't go to my channel here because you cannot cheer in your own channel. I'm gonna go to Dr. Disrespect's channel.
Right now, man. Good stuff.
They got the 30 bomb?
Alright. They have enough.
Once you have tuned into the stream, the bit button is at the bottom right-hand corner. It has a diamond shaped. Click on the bit button, then right above that, click on Get Bits. Now, as you can see, there's a button right here that says Watch Ad. Get 5 or more bits by watching short ads. you're gonna wanna go ahead and click that button. And you can see before I start this, I currently have 12,000 bits. That is for completing TwitchRpg surveys, and I will show you guys in a minute here proof of getting the bits from doing those surveys. To get your free bits, verify. Once you verify, complete the quick survey. There's gonna be an ad you have to interact with. So you're gonna wanna click. Let the ad play, and once it's done, at the top left here it says, how do you feel about this ad? Choose one, then go to I'm done. Congratulations, you got 5 bits. 5 bits were added to your bit inventory. You can now use these bits to cheer. As you can see, I started with 1,200 bits. I now have 1,205 bits. And look, it even lets you do it more than once. For those of you who are saying it only lets you do it one time, this and that, this is proof that it works. This is the second time I'm going to watch ad.
We got a Subaru to give him some adventure. To reconnect.
Let the ad play.
And be together. And once we did that, we realized his greatest
Make sure you interact
adventure
with
is
it in
just
some way.
beginning.
Welcome to the most adventurous
on something.
Outback ever. The all-new 2020 Subaru Outback. Go where love takes you.
Get 0% APR financing for 63 months on the 2020 Subaru Outback and other select models.
Then it's gonna ask me again, how do you feel about this ad? Go over to I'm done. And congratulations, 5 more bits was added to my bit inventory.
Final form. So now I gotta come back somehow. CalmCoolSavage, yo, let's get it. What's up, brother? Thanks for the fucking biddies.
Now I'm gonna show you guys proof that you can get 100 to 1,000 free bits by completing surveys on TwitchRpg. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. If I scroll down, the latest activities say that there are no activities available at this moment. This is because I have already completed my surveys for the month. TwitchRpg gives you 1 to 3 surveys per month, and they notify you through email. To show you guys proof that I have completed these surveys in the past, I will show you my Gmail history. Right here, you're looking at all the surveys I have completed in the past. The recent one was March 27th, so I have not received a bit survey for the month of April. But you can see that I have completed surveys going all the way back 2 years ago to July 24th, 2018. Now to show you guys that I am receiving these bits, all I have to do is go to my Twitch. At the top right in the notifications, it tells you when you receive the bits to your Twitch account. So just yesterday, I got 100 bits from Twitch Research Power Group. And before that, I got 100 bits last month. Before that, I got 1,000 bits from Twitch Research Power Group. I got these 2 surveys around the same time, and they were both for 500 bits. The surveys are also limited to a certain amount of people, so you always have to be checking your email to make sure that you're the first to do the survey. I got 500 bits from this survey, and then I got 500 bits from this survey. The payout takes about a month or longer, so any surveys you do during a month, they combine the bits and pay it out all at once. Yeah, here's the proof that the bit surveys actually do work. You just gotta make sure, look out for support, or if you're not getting notified, just search your Gmail for TwitchRpg. You may already have some surveys in there, and if you complete those, there still might be time to get the free bits. I hope this answers any questions on if you should use a VPN to watch ads to get free bits on Twitch. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment below. And I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. We have a growing community. I would love to see you in the stream. Recently, I dropped some CCS TV merch. If you guys want to support the channel, check out the link in the description. If you liked the video, hit up the like button. If you like the content on the channel, punch out the sub button. Who knows, I may be giving away free bits in the future. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.